With a big grill size, the Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill features 363 square inches of total cooking space, generous enough for turkeys, roasts, and large family gatherings. The Original Kettle features Weber's tried-and-true porcelain-enameled bowl and lid. Baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the finish is actually fused to the steel, preventing rust-through and burn-off for years of use. The weatherproof handles are made of glass-reinforced nylon, and the lid handle includes a protective heat shield. No-rust aluminum dampers provide you the flexibility to manage the heat in your grill. Easy to adjust, you can add more or less oxygen to get your grill to just the right temperature. The Original Kettle comes with 2 large, durable, all-weather wheels to make the grill easy to move for perfect placement on your patio or deck. For convenience, the rust-resistant aluminum ash catcher lifts out for easy ash disposal and cleaning. The one-touch cleaning system makes cleanup simple. Made of durable steel, the 3-pronged ash sweeper slides easily as you move the lever from side to side, sweeping the ash from the bottom of the grill into the removable ash catcher. Inside the Original Kettle is an angled lid hook. Just slide the lid off the bowl and hang it on the hook so it is safely out of the way. The plated steel cooking grate on the Original Kettle grill provides ample cooking area for roasts, ribs, and other meals. For family-style cookouts, the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch diameter charcoal grill with its 10-year limited warranty can't be beat. It has the size, durability, and high-quality features necessary in a big charcoal grill.